What is going on, guys? Scott here from Horizon Bound. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are here with another mod to the Taco. We're gonna be installing some fog lights, replacing these guys with some ambers. Not just any ambers, the Baja Designs SAE, gotta keep it street legal, fog lights. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, I forgot, I took it mudding recently. Oof, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to clean. All right, so as you can see, there's the OEM fogs, and it's easier to just come in through the bottom. We're gonna undo those bolts down there. You can't even really see it from this angle, that's why I think it's best to do it from the bottom, but there is a connector, see the green tape, that is plugged into the back. And yeah, if you got long arms, you can do it. I probably could do it, but then it doesn't really matter because on the other side of the fog light is where a screw is, and it's kind of hard to get from this angle. So let's go ahead and unscrew those bolts down there and come in through that way. So the first thing we need to do is we need to unscrew the 4 bolts that line the inner well. There's 1, 2, 3, and then another one up there. So you can kind of see through there. So now we're going to want to take off the screw right there. So now that we got that one done, let's go ahead and unscrew these guys. Now that we got the fog lamp out, we're gonna go ahead and grab the fog lamp for the Baja Design. And you can kind of tell light like that, and this like that. So you know that this is the top because it has the BD, it doesn't have it on the bottom. I mean, you would think it's pretty self-explanatory, but you know. So what we need to do is we need to mount our brackets. So let's go ahead and start working on that. So we've got two different brackets. We've got this kind of bracket and this kind of bracket. All right. So this is the driver's side. That will go right there. And then this is passenger, so we'll set you over there. And then this guy is that. So if you were to look at it like this, you got tabs right there, these guys that are similar to these. And you got these two, which are these guys. So now that we got that situated, let's go ahead and build it out. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our serrated washer, our screw, and our bracket. And you're supposed to put the washer between the light and the bracket. So putting that like so, and then this like that. You will drop the screw in through there, and you may need a little wrench to kind of guide it in, and then you will place just like so and start screwing it down. All right, now that you've got that on there, let's go over to the other side. So we're going to take our bolt, stick it through here, stick our washer, stick it through there, and screw it on. Looks good. All right, the next thing it says is to add the black rubber padding. There's two different sizes. So there's a thick and a thin. Looking at the Baja Design, it's 0.1. About 0.11. Looking at this guy, it is about 0.2. So definitely a lot thicker, 0.21. Same thing with this one. This is saying about 0.21. So this is 0.1. This is 0.05 and 0.12, so I'm thinking this is the one we're going to use. So coming over, you got your wiring harness, you got your little, I don't know, flume or whatever you want to call this, the little end that goes on. So you're gonna have the brown and the black. The black is gonna go into the A, and the B will have the brown. Looking right there, we got our B, our red, and we got our, so let's go ahead and put be like so. We'll shove it in there and clamp it down. Okay. Good to go. Okay, and it clicks in. It's good to go. Okay. Good. All right, now that I've got that clipped in there, we are going to plug this part in to there. So we will carefully stick you right in there. All right, let's hit it. Look good. Oh, real good. All right, guys, so that wraps it up. That is the Baja Design amber fog lights, the SAE version, not the Squadron Sports or Pros. Those ones are a little bit brighter. Once I swap out this bumper, I'll definitely be putting on some of those guys. But for now, I think these SAEs, they're awesome. They're so much brighter, they look sick. Yeah, not that difficult either. What do you guys think? You guys like this? You like the look? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like the amber look? Should I go for white? What do you guys think? If you guys like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, you know, do the things, and I will see you out on the horizon. Later.